Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products that look good on my acne texture skin and last all day. And in today's video I'm going to try a new foundation, and I have the new All Hours foundation by YSL. This is the foundation I have on right now, and I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. Now I don't have any makeup on, I just have my moisturizer, and I'm not going to use a primer because I really want to see how the foundation look on my skin with just my moisturizer on. So in today's video I'm going to try my first Yves Saint Laurent foundation, and I have this All Hours foundation. This is the new and improved version for the All Hours foundation. The packaging is a little bit different from the original All Hours foundation, and also this foundation has SPF 39 and the old one has SPF 20. So this is how the packaging look. Very pretty glass bottle, and the foundation comes with a pump, which is great. The cap is like from a cheap plastic material, but the glass bottle is very nice. I want to read a little bit about this foundation. So this new and improved YSL Beauty All Hours foundation is now with an upgraded breathable formula that provides up to 24-hour full coverage and weightless light as air feel. This is a transfer proof, waterproof and sweat proof foundation with SPF 39. It's infused with hyaluronic acid for all day hydration, and you'll get 24-hour full coverage, 24-hour weightless feel, 24-hour natural luminous matte makeup result. And this one has a new 3-letter shade naming system for better shade finding. I don't know the original All Hours foundation, but I'm very curious about this one because it's supposed to give you full coverage with a natural finish. Has a neo skin powder that keeps the complexion shine free all day. So sounds amazing, and I really wanna put this one on my skin. I forgot to mention what shade I have for this foundation. I have the shade LC1. I believe this is the lightest shade for fair skin, so I'm very curious to see how this one will look. So let's move on and apply this one on my skin, and I'm going to apply it on one side of my face by using a brush, and on the other side by using a beauty blender. But first I want to apply some on the back of my hand to see how is the texture, how is the color, and if it's scented, because it's really important. Okay, the foundation is scented, but it's very pretty and soft, so I think I would like the scent. It's very lightweight and soft, so I really like how the foundation look on the back of my hand. Now I am very curious to see how it will look on my skin. I'm going to apply it first on this side of my face by using a brush, and I have this by Zoeva 102 that I like to use for foundation. Okay, this is the side with this foundation on. I have to say that I don't like the finish. My skin look very bad up close, like it's very cakey right now, and I have so many dry spots that I don't even realize I have. So maybe this foundation don't work with a brush, so let's see how will look applied with a sponge. And I also feel like this foundation oxidizes like immediately. I'm going to apply some on the back of my hand to see what I mean. So when you first apply it on the skin, it's like very light, but now on my skin the finish is like 1 or 2 shades darker. So I'm going to move on and apply this one on this side of my face, but this time using my beauty blender. Maybe the finish will be better if I use a wet sponge. So this is how this foundation look on my skin, applied with a beauty blender and applied with a brush. The finish is much better on this side with my beauty blender. I'll try to fix this side because it look very bad up close. My skin look cakey and dry. So I will use my sponge also on this side to blend the foundation into my skin. Sadly, the finish is the same on this side of my face. So I'll move on with the rest of my makeup and I'll give you my final impressions for this foundation at the end of the video after I see how all of the other makeup products look on top of this foundation. And I'll move on to my concealer, and I'm going to use this Faux Filter Concealer by Huda Beauty in the shade Yogurt Drops. I really like this concealer, it's very good, long lasting, and I like the finish, it's very pretty. And to set everything in place, I'm going to use this McGRATH Labs Under Eye Powder. This powder is very good. As you can see, I've hit pan on this. So I highly recommend this powder to use it on the under eyes and also to set everything in place. This powder is very good and also blurs the skin, so my skin look a little bit better now. And for my blush and bronzer, I'm going to use these two. I have the Dior Forever Natural Bronze in the shade 4 with the Benefit blush in the shade Crystah. I really like these two. I've used them before on my channel. And I'm going to finish with the complexion products by using this highlighter by e.l.f. This baked highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls that I really like. And I know that this one looks good with every foundation that I use. Next I'll move on to my eyes, and today I want to use just a black eyeliner on my eyes, and I'm going to use this PermaGel eye pencil by McGRATH Labs, and I'm going to run this closer to my lashes, and I'll do like a little wing, and I'm going to smudge the eyeliner with this angled brush. And I want to use again this e.l.f. highlighter on my inner corners and some on the lower lashes. I'll finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll come back to give you my final impressions for the new foundation. So this is the finished makeup look. For my mascara, I've used this Makeup Forever the Professional that I've used in my last video for the first time, and I have to say that it's very good. So as a little update since my last video, I just have to say that this is pretty long lasting, don't smudge throughout the day, and eyelashes stay the same all day. So I'm very impressed with this one. fun. But if you want to see first impression for this mascara, I definitely recommend you to check my last video. And on my lips, I've used this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Icon. I really like this liquid lipstick. It's very long lasting and the color is gorgeous. So 5 impressions for this new All Hours foundation by YSL. From far my skin look good, but up close my skin look very heavy. I have so many dry patches on this side. My pores are very visible on this side where I've applied the foundation with my beauty blender. My skin look okay. It's not amazing, but it's not like on this side very heavy and cakey. So I think the best way to apply this foundation is if you use a wet beauty blender. Also the foundation oxidizes, so keep that in mind. It's very sad because this is a very expensive foundation and I hope I will make it work somehow on my skin. I don't know. I'm of course very curious about the wear, if it's transfer proof, long lasting and so on, and I'll give you an update in my next video, but for now I am not very impressed. I would love to know if you have this new foundation and if you like it. Please let me know in the comments down below, and also please let me know if you like the finished makeup look. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!